The holiday shopping season officially underway, I guess, Friday. It's expected to be a really big shopping season. Sales could be up, what, 4, maybe 5% from last year. Come in, Matt Shay, President and CEO of the National Retail Federation. If we get a 4% sales gain compared to last year, does that qualify as a blowout?
Well, Stuart, I think if we get 4.5 or in the upper fours, close to 5%, I'd say it'd be extremely good. We had a fabulous year last year, so we're working against very tough comps in that regard. But consumers are in an excellent place. We've talked before about the health of the economy, tax reform, regulatory reform, all the things that the administration and this Congress did, and we're in a really good place. Consumers are very confident. Should be an outstanding holiday season.
We just got this news from Adobe, a 16% increase in online sales between November 1st and November the 20th. Your federation includes online sellers, I believe, so you're off to a very good start.
We are, and we measure a little differently. Everyone sort of has a different beginning and end point, all the surveys that are out there, the forecasts. So our forecast is that holiday sales will grow between 4.3 and 4.8%. And I think I would be bullish that we're going to be on the high end of that range, and we'll be in the $725 or $730 billion. That's from November 1 to December 31, and that's all sales online, offline, kiosks, pop-up stores, everything. So we're on track for a great holiday season.
One last one. We had a retail guy on the show yesterday who said that November, December, January, add it all up, and you get $1 trillion worth of retail sales. Could it be that good?
Yes, because we know we'll be $730 billion just for these 2 months, and I'm sure with the kinds of sales and the deals that continue to happen into January, the way in which consumers behave today and consumers engage with retailers, the seamless interaction, I think we'll have an excellent beginning to 19, and let's hope that we can keep the momentum going when we get into next year.
All right, Matt Shay, a happy guy at the National Retail Federation. Good stuff. Thank you, Matt. Happy Thanksgiving to you.
Sure. Thank you too, Stuart.